நான் ஸ்னேட்டக்காரா ஓரம் இப்போ அண்ணன் வராங்க பாரு.
Hey Manjunath. Yeah, it's on. You're on air.
Oh, anyway.
We got 3, 2, 1, action.
Hi guys, I'm Manjunath Rajaram. I'm from MIS course, cohort 18. I'm here to do the YouTube project. It doesn't look like that though. My subject is, the subject I'm doing is on telecommunication network. So come on in. Virtual private network. What is virtual private network? Okay, it's a means of connecting to a private network by means of a public network. What do you say as a private network? It might be your home or your office. So you connect to a private network using the internet. So internet is your base. So using the internet, you're connecting to a private network. So it's a more secure way. Say for example, hey, please, let's turn this off, man. Okay? So what you does is like, you are in the office, you want to get your hands on the few documents or files which is there at your house. So how do you do it? You use VPN for it. So all the VPN does is it takes you the files whichever you want to the place where you want it. Okay, so now you have a concept, or now you would have understood what is virtual private network or the VPN. Let me go and figure out what are the separate words, figure out what are the 3 words are. First let me take virtual. Virtual is something to emulate or duplicate. So what are you emulating here? You are emulating the next 2 words, which is private networks. You are emulating private networks. So let me have private aside. Let's discuss networks. All of us know what is network. It's a system where you connect 2 users or 2 computers. That's network for you. I think most of you know that. Now finally all about VPN is the private part. It's how secure you send data. Or you can call it the privacy. How private is the data you send, because you use bank accounts for your numbers, credit card numbers, you use various files, you want others to delete it or manipulate it. There are a lot of sadists out there who will do that. I did that few times though. So now so we are talking about privacy. So how are you going to do that? How are you going to make your data documents private when you send it through a public network? I'll teach you how to configure a VPN on your system. Okay, there are different things you have to do if you have to set a VPN. You have to configure the server and the other things. But what I'm going to teach you is just to configure your system. This is the basic thing. Okay, come on in.
Hello guys, now you're gonna learn how to set up a VPN connection on your system. I'm gonna teach you on Windows Vista. You can do it on other operating systems too. All you need is some common sense. See what I'm doing, and it's the exact thing over there. So before connecting to VPN or setting up a VPN, there are a few things which you have to know. Have a good antivirus software installed on your system. Then make sure your Windows firewall is on. After you have done that, go to Start, then go to Control Panel, go to Network and Internet, then here connect to a network. So here you have to set up a connection network. That's what we're doing. Then go down and click Connect to a workplace. This is where your VPN connection is there. You can see that there. So click on that. Then you want to create a new connection, so click on Next. Then you have to use your internet connection. That's a public network which I was talking before. So click on that. It's asking for an internet address. You can go on and type anything. I'm gonna type gateway.net and my domain name will be VPN connection. Doesn't matter. So it's some random things I'm gonna go because I don't want to give my internet address over there. Then click next. Then your username and password. I'm gonna give Steven. You know what is the password? Okay, remember the password. Then click create. So now you go on close it because you have to do some properties changes which you're gonna do now. So go on connect to. If you go on press that, then there's your VPN thing which you have connected right now, VPN connection. Click on it and go to properties. Then this is the thing we gave there, this is the IP address we gave there, so it's over there. Then go to options, then make sure the box looks like this, and you might go to VPP settings and you can enable software compression, which is a good thing. Then press OK. Then go to your security tab, make sure it looks like this, typical and all those things. Then go to networking. Here's what you do. You either need VPv6 or VPv4, so select one. So I'm going on and selecting IPv4. Then click on the properties. Then you can give in some DNS server address. I go on and give some random address, which is 170.30 some to 1 or something. Then give OK. So you have set up your VPN. But if you want it to be more secure, go on and click L2TP IPsec VPN, which is the layer 2 tunneling protocol which I was talking before. This makes it more secure. Then go on to IPsec settings. Then you type in some key. This is the key which is gonna be with each VPN user when he wants to connect. So you type in the secret, and that's how you connect it. Then press OK. Okay. So the properties are changed. Now you want to connect to the VPN connection. Double click on it, and it will ask you for the username and password which you gave before. So I type in the username and password. Domain is optional. Then click connect. So if you are given everything correct, so it will connect to a VPN, and when it's connected, it will come in the taskbar VPN connection. So you can use it through that way. So this is how you set up a VPN on the system. Thank you.
Okay, conclusion part. So we learned about VPN and how to configure a VPN on the PC. Stupid video though. Thank you.
Just holler. Come on and holler back. When you gonna holler? When you gonna holler back? Hey, come on and holler. Want you to holler back. Want you to holler. Just holler back.
Okay, my topic is virtual private networks. What is virtual private networks? Okay, it means... Okay, I forgot.
I forgot it.